to Fura Tech. In today's video, I'm going to dive into the basic of Mailchimp and get you started with this powerful email marketing tool. Whether you are an email business owners, a marketers, or just someone looking to connect with your audience, Mailchimp has got you covered. So let's dive in. First off, what is Mailchimp? The Mailchimp is an all-in-all marketing platform that helps you manage and communicate with your clients, customers, and other interested parties. It specializes in email marketing but also offer tools for creating landing pages, social media ads, postcards, and many more. To get started with MailChimp, you will need to create an account uh, through mailchimp.com. So you can click on the MailChimp, sign up for free, enter your email address, username, or a strong password, and then click get started. Then you will receive a verification email. Open it and click the link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log in and you will be greeted by the MailChimp dashboard. I am currently on my dashboard. So then you will find everything you need to start creating and managing your email campaigns. So I'm on my dashboard because I have already created accounts and I already logged in my account. So from my dashboard, you can see create. So you can create a new campaigns, sign up forms or survey, different types of forms. And then under the campaigns, so there's all campaigns. So if you have any campaigns, you can see all of them on your dashboard here. So I have created a couple of them earlier, so you can see here. And then automation, so here's the overview, then all journey, then pre-build journey, transaction emails. Then under the audience, so you can see the analytic, so your marketing dashboard, reports, then custom reports, and then website. So under the website drop down menu, you can create a website. So you can see here, so you can create a website with Wix, and it is free to use, but there is a not many option to make it more content on your website. So you need to upgrade their version, then you will able to use many more features and create amazing website through the Mailchimp with Wix. So you can start designing your site, you can start selling your product, so you can connect to your stores from these templates. Then you can start offering different services, so you can connect your appointment here from these templates. And then setting, so this is all setting. Then you can see the reports uh, after creating the website. So if the visitors visit your website, so you will be able to see the reports where the visitors coming from and how long they're visiting your website, etc. And then content, so this is all different contents. Just a few clicks you can create your content for your website. You can explore different types of sample brand, then you can upload your logo, you can import your brand, then your website URL, etc. And then integration, so you can connect your apps integration here, and then different option, different categories to choose to use those. And they are also available Canva and Zapiers, WooCommerce, Shopify, Square integration, WordPress, Gravity Forms. So many features, you can see 330 ones. I'm not going through all of them, and there's a different case study to read to understand more better about Mailchimp. So, to is before you start creating the emails, you need to create your contact list. So, to set this up, you need to go to contact under the audience. You can see the audience dashboard here. So this is all your audience. You can view your contact. You can manage your contacts from here. Like you can add subscriber. You can import a contact. So if you have a file or Excel file, so you can just import. So you don't need to type in hand here. And then this is all contacts. So I have the contacts. So you can manage your contact from here also. You can unsubscribe any email address if you don't want. You can create different groups. You can create different segments. Then you can tag with a different uh, so like forms. So then import history. You can see export history from here, and then all contacts you can same import, and you can add a single subscriber, means single contacts. So I just show you uh, when you are adding like single subscriber, what you need email address, first name, last name, their address, city, state, country, phone numbers, date of birth, and then you can choose your groups where you want to add them, then tags, then just click those marketing permission, and then add contacts, so they will be automatically added to your contacts. And from here, so then after this, so you can, if you want to create a new form when you finish creating the contact details. So after that, if you want to create a email campaigns, so just create, and then you can see, or you can create on Mailchimp. You can create different emails, automation, website, landing page. Then those are the form options. And so to create a regular email, if you're sending like regular email to your company or your clients, so you can use those templates, because I'm using free version. So those are available for me. So you can use any of them, and you can design your, so you can see the landing page here. So build a landing page, then you can create a journey. So this is different automation. And then this is you can create a regular uh, email. So you can choose this email, or you can create from tablets here. So this is all regular. Create an email. So you need to type in your email address, then you will start creating. Then plain text will be different, and there's different templates. So you can choose the different templates. Just click one, and then get started. So just go back and create a sample regular email campaign for this video. So you will get a primary idea how does it work. So here here you can create regular email campaigns. So you need to give a title, so you can type here the titles, and after you can change until you satisfy with the templates. You can change many times, there's no problem. This is your titles, and then you can edit your recipient. Then you can share this email uh, when you are ready. There will be a link, and you can share through emails. You can share through different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, ConnectX. So then you can track your campaign emails from here. So you can edit this, so and set up for tracking. So you can see like how the visitors is response your campaign email. And then when you're finished, you can put, you can send the link to wherever you want to share. And if you this is the template, so if you are not finished like when straight away, so you can click finish later, so that will be save as a draft, and then you can go back and change, and that way your uh, campaign form will be there. And then finally when you're ready, then click send. So I'm not creating any form for this video. This is just a overview of Mailchimp, how it does work for your mail campaign. uh, so I think this is all for this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Until then, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.